Hi dear friends and my awesome fans, warm welcome to my channel Top Trends. Today we are here to tell you about Matalan Clothes. If you are looking Matalan Clothes to import used clothing of high qualities and factory prices, choose from our verified manufacturers, suppliers or buy directly from China used clothing. There are also similar products such as used clothes, second-hand clothes, and used jeans to compare from before you make your final choice. Whether it's career casual or club clothes, variety and style are just a click away. Refresh your sourcing list with the latest trends in the apparel industry, offered by our reliable and verified Chinese manufacturers. Or wide range of apparel products highlights a variety of wardrobe essentials and everything else. Opportunities in competitive pricing can help you become a leading supplier in your own country. We show you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashions. This is today's video. We hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comment section. Now please be kind for our work and make a like to the video and share this to your circle, and please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icons for our awesome updates. Thanks for your time and have a good day.